Understanding hear tell in English. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and interesting English phrase, hear tell. You might have come across this phrase in books, movies, or casual conversations. Let's get started and explore its meaning, usage, and examples. Hear tell is a colloquial expression that is essentially a fusion of the words hear and tell. Individually, these words are simple. Hear, to perceive by the ear. Tell, to give an account or narrative. When combined, they form a unique meaning. Hear tell is an old-fashioned way of saying that you've heard about something from someone else. It's like saying, I've been told, or I've heard. It's often used to convey information that might be a rumor, gossip, or general news you've heard indirectly. For example, if someone says, I hear tell that there's going to be a new coffee shop in town, they mean they've heard the news or rumor about a new coffee shop opening, but they haven't directly received this information from the source. Let's see this phrase in action with a few examples. 1. I hear tell that they're going to make a movie sequel. 2. Have you heard tell of the legend of the haunted mansion? 3. I hear tell that she's moving to a new city next month. Remember, it's a bit old-fashioned. So while it might not be common in everyday conversation, it's still good to know, especially if you enjoy literature or historical content. While hear tell is the most common form, there are slight variations you might come across. Some people might just say, I hear, omitting the tell. For example, I hear there's a big sale at the mall this weekend. Another variation can be, I've heard tell, which has the same meaning but includes the word they for have. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, hear tell. English is full of such quirky and fascinating phrases. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of hear tell and how to use it. Keep practicing, keep learning, and as always, happy language journey.